Guys, I almost ruined my summer knit top, so let's see if we can save it together or not. At the beginning everything was as usual. I chose my yarn and I was thinking everything goes alright. I planned to knit 2 panels and then unite it between itself, but when I finished the first panel and I cut my yarn and I tried it on, I understood that this is super small. So first conclusion, you guys need to be smart and first try your piece on and only then you should cut your yarn. Everyone told me, by the way, my project looks like this hero. But then a brilliant idea came to my mind. I can just continue to knit it horizontally. This is all nice and good, but this is the kind of problems I also faced. The yarn was not possible to knit with. Anyway, guys, I decided to continue and brought my stitches back to my needles. And I was knitting, knitting and knitting. It is supposed to be a relaxing, satisfying hobby. This is, by the way, the type of knots I dealt with. Update you guys, we have a solution, but we don't know if this will work. So we continue to knit our 1 panel horizontally. Let's see if this will be working. This is a rectangle and these are all the stripes of orange and blue color, but it doesn't matter. What does matter is how many stitches you need to cast on for your project. And the answer is 50. You need to cast on 50 stitches if you want the same top as I did. And the width of your top should be fitting you according to your measurement. The next question is, what is the size of the needles used for this project? And the answer is number 5.5 needles. And just pay attention, I'm using 2 threads together. This is my inspiration, by the way, from Pinterest. So yeah, the picture is very nice, but can we achieve it? So after you knit your panel, you just fold it like this in 2 and you unite it with a simple crochet, and then you also add 2 simple straps. So after I knitted a bit more, my panel was done. Here is my panel, it's pretty long. I believe it will suit me. I also measured it, so it should be fine. I will fold it in 2 and will unite it with a crochet hook. With a slip stitch or single crochet. The hook that I'm using is 5.5 millimeters. I'm uniting it like this. Insert, insert, pull through and close. I already connected the 2 parts together, so let's see what we got. This is my united panel, this is my top, and here is how the unification looks like. It is very clean, and if I show you the good side, you even cannot tell that this is a connection. Also, I decided to enhance the edges with some crochet. So you see here me doing a chain of 5 single crochet, and you repeat it in 2 rows. This is how your first row will look like. And this is how your second row will look like. Cool! My top is finished and I'm so ready to show it to you guys. Let's see it together. Share your honest opinion about this project. Is it horror? Do you think I managed to solve it? Do you have your projects which you are nearly unsavable, but at the end of the day you like the final results? Love you guys. Bye.